Welcome back to VOA's Question Quest Chronicles, and episode 2 is featuring the question, why do you VO?
Why VO? Why do you VO? I love this question. It's so great, and I had to really kind of dig into it and think about it a little bit. And why do I really want to be doing this?
Why do I love VO? For my own sanity.
I enjoy being creative and making characters, telling stories, helping people feel different emotions for what I need to share. I could be on the other side of the world and somebody could hear me.
I VO because it allows me to be anything I want to be without having to worry about what I look like.
I get to use my voice almost like a musical instrument.
I actually really like talking to people, and I love the creative aspect of voiceover.
Telling stories, that's what's so compelling for me, always has been. That and listening to my own voice, of course.
I can paint a picture or create a character or evoke an emotion by the words I speak and how I speak them.
I could be an old man, a young man, a little boy, a woman, a little girl, a monster, an alien.
A silly character, a spooky character, a little character with some attitude.
And then go from that to being an empathetic dad worried about his family.
An alien, a rock, I don't know.
And when that happens, it's awesome.
Something that helps them to either sell a product, sell a service, inform, educate. I just really get a kick out of being able to work with clients and help them, move the needle. And that's what I love about VO.
Nah, it's not the fame and adulation. Nah. To be perfectly honest, it's really the big bucks.
It's so much fun, and I love it, and I don't think I'll ever stop doing it, even if I don't get paid for it. I will always be creating something where I get to use my voice and do fun things with it.
And of course, because I love it.
Because I'm creative, and because it keeps those creative juices flowing. I'm able to work with other creative people and take content off of a script and bring it to life, and that's something that's pretty amazing. I love doing that.
I can't imagine doing anything else.